Compact electric high-pressure washer. Lightweight, powerful and versatile cleaning tool. Make everyday cleaning effortless with the compact car and home high-pressure washer. A lightweight yet powerful solution designed to handle all your outdoor and vehicle cleaning needs. With 110 bar pressure and a 360 L/H flow rate, it easily blasts away dirt, mud, and grime from cars, patios, garden furniture, walls, windows, and more. Key features: high-performance cleaning. Delivers 110 bar of strong water pressure with 360 liters/hour flow. Cleans up to 20 square meters per hour, making it ideal for both quick jobs and larger surfaces. Perfect for cars, driveways, terraces, fences, garden tools, and home exteriors. Compact and portable. Ultra lightweight at just 5.3 kilograms, with an ergonomic carrying handle for easy transport. Small body size, 28 by 17 by 15 centimeters. Makes storage hassle-free. Fits in car trunks or closets. Ideal for apartment dwellers, travelers, and anyone with limited space. Equipped with a detergent suction function for deeper cleaning with soap or car shampoo. Integrated water filter protects the pump and extends machine life. Great for use with outdoor water sources. Adjustable nozzle, 1 to 180 degrees. Customize the spray angle with the 1 to 180 degrees adjustable nozzle for everything from soft rinsing to tough grime removal. Great for versatile use, from delicate windows to stubborn mud on wheels or walls. Extended reach for easier cleaning. Comes with a 7 high pressure hose and 5.5 power cord for a total working radius over 12 meters. Clean rooftops, cars, garden paths, and more without constantly moving the unit. Multi-scene use. Perfect for washing cars, bikes, scooters, watering and cleaning gardens, washing floors, patios, tiles, and sidewalks, cleaning glass, walls, roofs, and outdoor furniture, spraying detergent on greasy surfaces,